It's a privilege and a very emotional moment for all of us here as we unbox the Hector to India for the first time. We call this entire process the inside-out experience of the MG Hector. Now, the MG brand is a very, very emotive brand. If you talk about design, our global team has coined the word emotional dynamism. Now, that's, in very simple words, is the fusion of modern dance form with aviation power. If you look at the Hector from the front, the large air intake has been inspired by the F-35 aeroplane. When you move to the interiors of the Hector, you see the clear influence from the design cues of the modern dance form. This entire package makes it truly a stunning design offering in the MG Hector. Moving on to our strongest pillar, safety. Safety is the foundation at MG. We believe that with our offering, we will redefine the industry standards of safety. If you look at the chart in front of you now, what you will see on the left-hand side of the screen is what is being offered as a regulation-driven standard safety features. But what you see on the right side is what we offer in the MG Hector, which is industry standard plus. And these are ESP and traction control, hill hold control, the 3-point seat belt for all passengers, ISOFIX child seat anchors, rear disc brakes. And the best part is that across all our variants, this is going to be a standard offering, and therefore redefining the safety standard in this segment. If you look at additional features, our outside rear view mirrors are going to be heated, which means it helps you in moist conditions, be it here in Mumbai or in cold, foggy conditions in northern parts of India. The Hector also comes with front parking sensors to help you with those tight parking areas. We also have equipped the Hector with a 360-degree camera. Now, with this camera, it offers you convenience, it offers you safety, and the best part about it, it offers you confidence with visibility all around you for your parking and those tight corners once again. We also bring in the Hector the tire pressure monitoring system, or what we call as Tpms. The Tpms enables you to have the automatic checking of the tire conditions while you are driving the car and gives you advanced alerts, again, reinforcing our commitment to safety. So active and passive safety features are packed in the Hector.